Hello, my name is Miss Lass, and today we are going to learn how to calculate and manipulate the perimeter of a compound shape. Before we start, make sure that you are sitting somewhere quiet, comfortable, where you can work. Get a paper and a pen and a green pen to self-mark your work. In front of you, you have a starter activity. So please pause this video and have a go at completing a grid. And here are the answers. Use a green pen to tick all the right ones. If you have all of them correct, well done. So this is the last lesson on a perimeter. We already know how to calculate perimeter of irregular shape, a regular polygon, how to manipulate perimeter of a regular polygon, how to calculate and manipulate perimeters of rectangles and parallelograms. And in the last lessons we've learned how to calculate a missing side of an isosceles triangle or a trapezium. And today we are moving on to calculating and manipulating perimeter of a compound shape. Okay, so let's do first exercise together. So the learning objective for this part of the lesson is to be able to calculate the perimeter of a compound shape. So to calculate perimeter, we have to work out the distance around this shape. So starting from one point, we go all the way around, adding all the numbers. So it's 4 plus 6, plus 3 plus 5, plus 7 plus 11. That equals to 36 centimeters. Okay, so pause the video and have a go at the next question yourself. If you have 32 centimeters, well done. Now, just to consolidate this knowledge, make sure that you know how to do it. Try to pause this video and work out the parameters of every single one of these shapes. So again, success criteria, add lengths all around all sides. So walk around the shape and add all the lengths of each side. And write the units at the end. They are all in centimeters. And here are the answers. If you have all 6 of them correct, well done. And now question 2, so work out the perimeter of these shapes. Just the numbers are decimal, so it's slightly different. So have a go at them. Make sure that when you add them, you line up decimal points. And here are the answers. Again, if you've got a 4 out of 4, very well done. You know how to calculate the perimeter of a compound shape. So now we are going to learn how to manipulate the perimeter of a compound shape. In this case, it means that we are going to be working out the perimeter when we don't have explicitly given the length of all sides. So I don't know what's the length of B and what's the length of A, and these are unknown sides, and their length I need to work out. Let's start with B. Have a look at our success criteria. So identified sides parallel to unknown. So my unknown is B. So all sides parallel means all sides going like this, going across just like B. So that's 1, and I know that this is 4 centimeters, and that's second, and that's 9 centimeters. Okay, I notice that actually if I draw the line in here, then this bit is actually the same as B. And this part is the same as 4. So to work out B, I need to take away from 9, 4. And that's what I'm left with, this bit, which is equal to b. So b is 9 minus 4 equals 5. Okay, so I know that my b is 5, so I'm going to get rid of all this. So this is 5 centimeters. Okay, now I want to work out a. Again, look at the success criteria. Identify sides parallel to unknown. Okay, so that's one. So these are sides going that way. Yeah, they are parallel. And this is another one. Again, I noticed that if I draw this line here, then this is the same as my A. And this is the same as 6. So, and I know that the whole thing is 9. So to work out A, I need to take away this, which is 6 centimeters, from the whole line, which is 9. So 9 minus 6 equals 3 centimeters. So my A is 3 centimeters. And I'm going to take rub this off because I need the space to calculate a parameter. Okay, so now I've got the length of every single side. So starting from B, 5 centimeters plus 6 plus 4 plus 3 plus 9 and plus 9 and 5. We've ended up where we started from. And this is equal to 36 centimeters. Okay, now pause this video and have a go at the next question yourself. Okay, if you have 42 centimeters, well done. You know how to find the parameter, how to manipulate parameter of a compound shape. Let's have a look at another types of example. Okay, so in here we have to find the value of a and b, and hence the parameter of the shape. So now this is a little bit a different type of question. So our a is actually a longer side. Okay, but we follow the same rule. So identified sides parallel to our unknown. So all the sides going this way. Okay, add or subtract depends on the question. So from here, we should see that this is the same as this, and this is the same as this. So our A is this and this. So A equals 4 plus 4, which is 8 centimeters. Okay, so I know that my A is 8 centimeters. So now I can calculate B. And B is the same like in the previous example. So identify parallel lines. This and this. And then I can see that my B is the same as 7. So this whole bit. Take away 4. This, yes, this one. So B is 7, take away 4 equals 3 centimeters. So B is equal 3 centimeters, and now I can calculate the parameter. Which is 8 plus 7 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 3. So the parameter is 30 centimeters. Okay. Pause the video and have a go at the next question yourself. Okay, this one is a little bit harder, so you need to notice that this is what we need, and those are parallels. And also, this are parallel. Okay, you might want to pause it and try to work this one out yourself. So if you have 60 centimeters, well done. Just to make sure that you've got that right. So 20 is 5 plus 10 plus this bit, so it must be also 5. And this green part is 4 plus 6. So this is 10 and this is 10. So that's why how we got 20, 30 plus 20 plus 10. 60 centimeters. If you've got that right, that means that you are really good at manipulating perimeter of a compound shape. Okay, let's have a look at one more example. Okay, so I want to work out A. So I identify the parallel lines. And I can see that A must be 9, take away 4, so it's 5. And I need to work out B. Identify parallel lines. So B must be this plus this, so it's going to be 8. So now I need to add all the numbers around the shape. 5 plus 8 plus 9 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. That gives me 34 centimeters. Okay, now pause the video and have a go at the next question yourself. If you have 46 centimeters, well done. You know how to manipulate perimeter of a compound shape. Right, so now, well, just to consolidate your knowledge, just do some practice exercises, pause this video, and attempt these 4 questions. And in here, you've got 2 more, a little bit harder, a little bit more challenging. So pause this video and try to answer these 2 as well. And here are the answers. Mark your own work. If you have all 6 of them correct, well done. You know how to manipulate the perimeter of a compound shape. On the next slide, you will find a little bit more challenging examples with decimal numbers. So here you have another 6 questions, a little bit more challenging. Have a go at them, pause this video and try to answer those. And another 2 questions, pause the video and have a go at them yourself. And here are the answers. If you've got all 8 of them correct, well done. This is all for today. This was lesson 5 on perimeters. So we've covered all this in the previous lessons. And today we've done perimeter of a compound shape and manipulating the perimeter of a compound shape. The last lesson is on the more complex example about manipulating the perimeter of a compound shape. So that's it for now. Thank you. Bye.